Welcome to example 2 of problems involving trigonometry in 2 dimensions. This example 2 says SR is a diameter of a circle whose radius is 25 centimeter. Alright, let's try and label that on this circle here. So SR is a diameter, so S is a diameter here with center at origin. And then it goes PQ is a chord at right angles to SR. So a chord is at right angle, so this is right angle here. So PQ. Then it goes X is the midpoint of PQ. So the center point of PQ is here, over here. And well, let's call that X. And then it says the length of XR is 1 centimeter. So from X to R here is 1 centimeter. So that means OX equals OR minus XR, which is 25 centimeter minus 1 centimeter, which is 24 centimeter. So from O to X, I'm going to use a different color for that. So this is 24, and that's 1 over there. And this is 25. Okay. So then it says calculate the length of the arc PQ. It is very easy to think that the line that we're asked to calculate is this line here, which is PQ. However, it's the arc that is a portion. This arc here is what we're trying to calculate. That is a portion of the circumference of the whole circle. So that is a fraction of the circumference of the whole circle is what we're trying to calculate. So what we need to first calculate is the angle that suspends PQ and O. So just for graphical purposes, let's try and show you. So the angle that goes from O to P and then from Q to O is what we're trying to find. Let me draw that. So this angle here is what we're trying to find. Alright, so to help us really work that out, it's very important that we pull out the right angle. As you can see here, this is a right angle triangle. So we pull that out in this diagram at the bottom here. So I have P at the top there, I have O here, and then I have Q here. Alright, the PQ is, we don't really need that. We know that PO is 25 because that's a radius. So any line that goes from the center that touches the circumference is 25. So here, PO is 25 centimeter. And then the bottom, OX, beg your pardon, this should be X. That over there should be X because we're going from here to here, not to Q. So OX is 24 centimeter and we're trying to find this angle, let's call it X. Okay, from Prt2, from the trig ratios is Prt2. We're given, to find out which trigonometric ratio to use, let's see what we're given. We're given the angle that is adjacent to angle X and as the hypotenuse, which is the longest part, OP. Therefore, well, that looks similar to this. So our cos, we need to use cos of X equals adjacent which is 24, over the hypotenuse, which is 25. Alright, that gives us cos x equals 0.96. Therefore, x equals second function of cosine of 0.96 gives us, if we plug that into our calculator by doing shift and cos, we get 16.26 degrees. That's one of the angles there. However, you could see that we need to also find the angle here. Well, because of symmetry, is simply double, because POX and QOX are exactly mirror images of each other. Therefore, angle POQ is twice x, so it's 2x. And we know what x is, so we'll do 2 times 16.26 degrees, which gives us 32.52 degrees. Okay, so now that we know that this angle here is 32.52 degrees, then we can work out the arc. We can work out this arc. So we will have something that looks like this. So we need to find the arc here. We know what the angle is here, which is 32.52 degrees, and the radius is 25, and the radius is 25 there. The radius is 25 here as well. So, well, the arc is the circumference. So the circumference, we need to use the formula for the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r, twice the number of the radius. Well, in this case, this is for 360 degrees. That's a circle. All the angles about the circle is 360. But we don't have 360. We have a fraction of 360. We have a fraction of 360. So that's, we have 32.5 as a fraction of 360 times 2 times pi times radius, which is 25 centimeters. That's a fraction. We have 32.5, fraction of 360. So when we plug this into our calculator, we get 14.2 centimeters. That's the length of the arc PQ. So this is length of arc PQ. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been a lot of help. So try as much as possible to lay your hands on some similar problems and keep practicing. You can like us at www.facebook.com/cmaths, or you can watch more videos at www.cmaths.co.uk, and then when you get on the website, go to revision videos. Thank you.